Hey guys, I'm Felix from Slogos Car Club, and do you also want to get rid of the very expensive and small butane gas canisters and switch to a propane tank bottle? If so, today's video is just for you because we're going to be assembling and installing Bison Gear's propane tank holder, which fits 5 and 10 pound bottles, so 2.5 and 5 kilogram bottles. And we're going to be installing this on my INEOS Grenadier spare tire in the rear. And if you plan to do the same, you will also need the universal wheel mount from Bison Gear to which the propane tank holder can attach. Let's get started and unwrap everything. So as you just saw, the propane tank holder came pre-assembled in my case, but worry not. There's a full installation guide with a step-by-step installation to assemble the propane tank holder by yourself. It came pre-assembled in the 5 pound configuration, which you can see on the engraving over the holes. And you can very easily transform it to the 10 pound version if you just follow the steps in the second part of the installation guide. Still, we need the installation guide because the propane tank bottles come in various shapes and sizes, even if they are a 5 pound or 10 pound bottle. So we will need to adjust our holder slightly so it fits our bottle perfectly, firmly, but not too tight. So for the next step, we're going to test fit our propane bottle inside the bottle holder. So we open up both latches, fold open the holder, and then place the propane tank inside. And upon closing, you can see I have a small gap in here. So what we will do, we will use our 4mm hex bit and 10mm wrench, and then loosen up those 3 screws on each side to adjust the bottle holder for the bottle's shape. Loosen those screws up so they are hand tight and you can adjust, but don't make them too loose so it's easier to screw it back in later. Then use your propane tank, place it back into the holder and push it firmly against the bottle so it has a nice and secure fit. And then just use your hex bolt and tighten down the 3 bolts again. As the tank is now securely inside the holder, we will now need to attach the latches so they secure the tank. And for that, just screw them in or out to adjust the tension. And then check for the perfect tension. The bottle should be snug but not too tight. And then just close them down. As I have bought a little bit of a smaller bottle than 5 pound or 2.5 kilogram, this is a 2 kilogram bottle. The 5 pound holder actually doesn't do anything. And I just double checked if I can use the 10 pound holder, but also this one, it's not suited for this type of propane tank. But what I ended up doing is using the 5 pound holder and flipping it around. And with that, I can give the bottle another point of security up top here, just like it would do if it would be flipped around and the bottle would be a 5 pound bottle and it would hold up here. So I ended up using this, flipping it around and then just bolting it in with the existing screws, just like so. And now we're going to press that one firmly onto the propane bottle and then tighten down the screws. And just like that, the propane tank cannot go anywhere. There is no gap in between here, and the tank is fully secured in our propane tank holder, and we're ready to install the propane tank on the spare wheel. So the next step is to attach the propane tank holder to the universal tire mount. But what I would suggest is to check your clearance and your position first. So for me, because I have the swing out door, I want to make sure that the propane tank holder is not hitting the car when opening the rear door. And for that, we're just making sure we find a nice position here. And then we will open up the doors And also in the fully open position, check if anything hits the car. So I have now decided on a position to mount the propane tank holder to the universal tire mount to. And now I'm going to use the included hardware to secure it on the universal tire mount. So now we will use the included hardware, our 4mm hex and 10mm wrench, and then just position the propane tank holder with its holes over our designated position on the universal tire mount. So we have now secured everything together, just hand tight, and now it's a good final check to see if everything works on the car before we tighten down and then attach the universal tire mount onto the car. For the next step, we're going to mount our pre-assembled universal wheel mount with the propane tank holder on the car. And to make it a bit easier, we can use the universal mount and just place it on the top position where it cannot fall down. And then just use your included ratchet and strap and insert it into the slot on the wheel mount. Wrap it around the tire and insert it through your ratchet strap. Make sure everything is straight, and then without tightening down too much, start wrenching on the ratchet. And when you can feel the first bit of firmness, you can go ahead and now place your wheel mount in the desired position. And if you have found your desired position, you can go ahead and ratchet down your wheel mount. And now, just like that, we have a fully secure wheel mount and propane tank holder on our INEOS Grenadier. And as we checked the clearance before, we are sure that we can still open up our trunk without any problems. So as you guys can see, the propane tank is securely in its holder, which is secured on our spare wheel. It's a good idea to check the ratchet strap every once in a while. And what I really like about the setup is that the propane tank is outside of the car, but so quickly accessible. So if you need to refill it or you prefer to have it on the ground for cooking, it's really easy to take it in and out of the holder. And if you, like me, have your Bison Gear rear tailgate table, it's in the perfect position to connect your hose to a camping cook setup in the rear of your car. So I hope this helped, and see you guys around the next time.